Hello, Mr. Tsubaki. So I'll be solving option 5 for the block for advanced trigonometry, and just going to go over the question, explain what I did to solve it. So setting y1 to the trig equals to the trig function from the problem, which was this that we found, and which is also shown in the option 4 that I already did from the problem, and y2 equals to 22. So then we're going to just plug in 22, y2 equals 22. Explain and demonstrate the intersect function to find the answer to part D. So I'm just going to read part D so we have a better understanding. At what time during the interval shown does the tide pool water height return to the original height of 22? So if we imagine like a line in 22, like we know that y is going to be height right here, representing the height of water in inches. So we know that's like y equals this, where t representing the height. So we can see right here that if we put a line here in 22, that's going to be where it is. And we can see that it's going to intersect at one point right here. And that will be what we're looking for in the problem. So return to the original height of 22. This is the height of 22 right here. And there's a function we can use in our calculator when we plug in both the 22, which is going to be just a straight line in the original height, and we plug the equation that we got in the exercise. So if we graph both of them, we're going to see that this is intersections that we want to find. So in order to identify the value for the intersection, we're going to go second calc and then intersect, which is number 5. We're going to set our curves close to each other like this, so close to the intersection point, and then we click guess, enter again, and it's going to give us, so the intersection point that we want to find is not the y value, because we already know which is the original height. Like this is what we're giving. We want to find this point, which is the time that the time it's going to intersect. So for example, we can already see here, like at 6, if we take a look, we can see that it's right there. But just to confirm, we used our calculator, and we know that the time at which the water returns to original height is at 6 hours. So that's going to be t equals to 6, and the function is second calc intersect, which is number 5. Second calc intersect.